Moko kuom jopuonjre mag mbalariany ma Nairobi masomo weche thieth nobago ng'anyo apise mag mbalariany no makar thieth ma Kenyatta ka giywago deko ma duoko magi mag penj gikoni osedeko kuom dweche 2 sani. Jopuonjre go kotelnegi gi jagoro maduong' e riwruok jopuonjre ma mbalariany no Elisha Wasike ywak ni kata osebedo ni ne gisechwalo ng'ur ne tend mbalariany no ne omigi mana singo ni biro migi duoko mano ma pod girito nyaka sani. Gikoni deko makama en kaluwore gi jopuonj mbalariany ma ywago chudo gino mosethiro somo e sekta no. Jopuonjre go wacho ni podi dwaro margi ok owinji kabiro chuno mondo mi gidhi e ndara ma dwaro ratiro margi ka kwayo margi en ni migawo masomo mondo donjre ywaruogno mondo migi duoko margi.
The Academic Affairs released a memo suggesting that the results was to be released on the month itself and that supplementary and special exams were to be sat on 15th of August. Today we are here. Today is 26th of August. We have not yet got our results. For medics, for you to progress to the next academic year, you need your results from the previous academic year.
The school ought to resume on 1st of September. That is a few days from now. And you cannot resume school if you don't know if you're progressing to the next level or you are retaking. And the delay of results, one, affects the students who are actually on scholarship, bursaries and sponsorship. Because for you to get that scholarship from your well-wisher, you have to give a transcript of the results so that that well-wisher to at least bring those funds so that you can continue learning. Secondly, you cannot apply for a room in the University of Nairobi if you've not been progressed in the student portal. Let the Minister of Education come in and ensure that we solve these institutional problems that have been there for a long time, to ensure that this issue comes once and for all. If not, we're going to shut down the faculty, and if the issues is not addressed, we're going to hit the highway.